Good morning, everyone. I am delighted to welcome you all today. Thank you for joining this session. Today, I will be talking about modern quality in the herbal industry. My name is Dr. S.K. Singh, and I hold a PhD in this field. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore what modern quality means for herbal products, the challenges faced, and the innovations shaping this industry. I look forward to sharing insights with you. Let's get started. Let's explore the concept of modern quality. Modern quality is defined as being standardized, reproducible, and scientifically validated. This means that when we talk about quality today, we're emphasizing consistency and a solid scientific basis behind the processes. There are 4 key pillars that support this concept. First is identity, ensuring we have the correct plant species. It's crucial because different species can have very different effects and properties. Next is purity, making sure the product is free from contaminants, which is vital for safety and efficacy. Third is potency, confirming that the active constituents are present in the right amounts, so the product performs as expected. And finally, safety, which involves toxicology validation to ensure there are no harmful effects. This shift from traditional knowledge to pharmaceutical-grade quality marks a significant advancement. It's about moving from traditional use to a scientifically validated, reliable standard that guarantees consistency and safety in every product we produce. Let's take a closer look at some of the key challenges we face in ensuring herbal quality. One major issue is batch-to-batch variability, which can be influenced by factors like climate and soil conditions. This means that even when growing the same plant, the final product can differ significantly. Another concern is adulteration and substitution, where some products might be intentionally mixed with cheaper or lower quality ingredients, compromising efficacy and safety. Contamination is also a serious challenge, involving heavy metals, pesticides, or microbes that can find their way into herbal products during cultivation or processing. This poses health risks and undermines consumer trust. A further complication is the lack of standardized markers for many herbs, making it difficult to verify quality and authenticity consistently. Lastly, many herbal remedies are complex multi-component mixtures, which adds another layer of difficulty when trying to analyze, standardize, and ensure consistent quality across different batches. All these challenges highlight the importance of rigorous quality control in herbal products, which ties back to our overall goal of ensuring safe, effective, and reliable herbal medicines. Let's take a closer look at the WHO guidelines and their relevance today. The World Health Organization provides a comprehensive framework for standardizing herbal medicines globally. Their focus areas include ensuring quality control of raw materials, implementing good manufacturing practices for herbal medicines, and conducting stability and shelf life studies to guarantee safety and efficacy. Looking ahead to 2025, the guidelines aim to promote greater global acceptance and establish uniform protocols, which is crucial for harmonizing herbal medicine standards across different countries. Now, shifting to the Indian regulatory framework, which is governed by the Drugs and Cosmetics Act of 1940 and the corresponding rules of 1945. These regulations specifically cover Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, and homeopathy systems. One key aspect here is the mandatory licensing requirement for both manufacturing and marketing, which helps maintain quality and safety standards within India. When we consider the regulatory landscape as a whole, it's important to see how these frameworks work together. The WHO guidelines set an international benchmark, while the Indian regulations ensure compliance within the country. Both are vital for building trust, ensuring safety, and facilitating the acceptance of herbal medicines in global markets. This interconnected approach ultimately supports the overall goal of standardizing herbal product quality and ensuring consumer confidence. Now, let's talk about licensing and legal requirements. First and foremost, an AYUSH license is compulsory for operating any AYUSH facility. This license is issued by the state licensing authority, which ensures that standards are maintained at the state level. getting this license involves a few key steps. One of the main requirements is a thorough facility inspection, where authorities assess whether your setup complies with all safety and quality standards. Additionally, you'll need to submit comprehensive documentation, including standard operating procedures, or SOPs, and batch records, to demonstrate proper processes and traceability. Another critical aspect is setting up a quality control laboratory, or QC lab, which is essential for ensuring the quality and safety of your products. It's important to remember that non-compliance with these licensing requirements can lead to penalties, including fines or even suspension of your license. So, adhering to these legal requirements is not just about compliance. It's about building trust and credibility in the industry and ensuring the safety of consumers. This all ties back to the overall theme of maintaining high standards in AYUSH practices. Let's talk about some of the recent updates in quality certifications for herbal products. First, we have the AYUSH mark and the Premium mark, which are awarded by the Quality Council of India. These marks are based on third-party quality evaluations, meaning independent experts assess the products to ensure they meet certain standards. They also ensure compliance with international standards, which is crucial for gaining global credibility. When a product bears these marks, it signals to consumers and international markets that it has been thoroughly evaluated for quality and safety. Next, let's look at good manufacturing practices, or GMP. In India, GMP is mandatory under Schedule T for herbal medicines. This certification covers a wide range of aspects, including the premises and equipment used in production, the qualifications of personnel involved, and proper documentation and traceability of each batch. Essentially, GMP ensures that every product is manufactured consistently and safely, maintaining high quality throughout the process. Overall, these certifications are key to building trust, both domestically and internationally, and they help uphold the integrity of herbal products in a competitive market. They tie into the broader theme of ensuring quality and safety in traditional medicine, which is fundamental for the growth of the industry. Now, let's take a look at some of the modern quality control techniques that are transforming our industry. First, we have chromatography methods like HPLC and HPTLC, which are essential for analyzing the chemical composition of our products with high precision. Then, there's spectroscopy techniques such as UV and IR, which help us identify and quantify compounds quickly and accurately. DNA barcoding is another powerful tool, especially for plant authentication, making sure we're using the correct plant species and maintaining consistency. Marker-based standardization also plays a key role in ensuring our products meet specific quality benchmarks through genetic or chemical markers. Stability and shelf life testing are vital to confirm that our products remain effective and safe over time, helping us determine appropriate storage conditions and expiration dates. All these techniques work together to uphold the highest quality standards. Next, let's discuss good agricultural and collection practices, or GACP. This set of practices ensures quality right from the start, at the raw material stage. It involves correct plant identification, so we know exactly what we're working with. Controlled cultivation is crucial for maintaining consistency and avoiding contamination, whether from pesticides, microbes, or other impurities. GACP is designed to work hand-in-hand with good manufacturing practices, or GMP, forming a comprehensive quality chain that begins in the field and continues through processing, ensuring our final products are safe, effective, and reliable. Today, I want to talk about pharmacovigilance and safety monitoring, which are crucial components of ensuring drug safety after they hit the market. Essentially, this involves monitoring adverse drug reactions, those unexpected or harmful effects that can occur once people start using a medication. It's a continuous process that helps us identify and manage risks effectively. Government initiatives play a significant role here. For example, they oversee the surveillance of misleading advertisements, making sure that drug claims are truthful and not deceptive. This helps protect consumers from false information that could influence their health choices. Additionally, governments are working to strengthen drug testing laboratories. By enhancing these facilities, we improve our ability to detect potential issues early, ensuring that only safe and effective drugs reach the public. A key focus within pharmacovigilance is post-market safety. Even after a drug is approved, ongoing monitoring is essential to catch any rare or delayed adverse effects. This continuous oversight helps maintain public trust and ensures that medications remain safe throughout their life cycle. All these efforts are interconnected and serve the overarching goal of safeguarding public health through vigilant monitoring and proactive measures. Let's look at some examples of modern quality implementation in herbal products. First, consider the Ayurvedic tablet. Here, we see the use of a standardized extract, like ashwagandha, which ensures consistency in the active ingredients. We test for specific markers such as withanolide content to verify potency. Additionally, testing for heavy metals and microbial load is crucial to ensure safety and purity. These steps reflect a rigorous approach to quality control, aligning with today's standards. Now, moving on to the herbal syrup. For this product, stability studies are conducted to determine its shelf life, which is essential for maintaining efficacy over time. The manufacturing process is GMP certified, meaning it meets good manufacturing practices to ensure high quality. Lastly, label compliance is important so that consumers receive accurate information and proper guidance. Together, these examples highlight how modern quality implementation combines scientific testing, safety protocols, and regulatory compliance to deliver safe, effective herbal products that meet consumer expectations. As we look at the industry trends, one of the most exciting developments is the integration of AI and metabolomics. This combination is really transforming how we understand and develop herbal medicines, making them more precise and effective. Personalized herbal medicine is also gaining momentum, allowing us to tailor treatments to individual needs, which enhances efficacy and patient satisfaction. On the international front, there's a clear push towards stricter compliance, especially as we expand our global exports. Meeting these standards is crucial for building trust and opening new markets. Additionally, there's a rising demand for clean label products. People want transparency about what's in their herbal remedies. Alongside that, evidence-based formulations are becoming the norm. Consumers and regulators alike are looking for scientifically backed products that demonstrate safety and efficacy. All these trends highlight how our industry is evolving, becoming more innovative, transparent, and globally connected to better serve consumers' needs. Let's take a moment to look at the conclusion. The herbal industry is really evolving, moving towards a standard of quality that's comparable to pharmaceuticals. This means we're seeing higher standards in production, safety, and consistency. Strong regulatory frameworks are essential in this process. They help ensure that herbal products are safe for consumers, effective in their intended use, and meet international standards. These regulations are what build trust and facilitate global acceptance of herbal medicines. Looking ahead, the future of herbal medicine is truly exciting. It's a blend of science, tradition, and regulation working together. This integrated approach helps us harness the wisdom of traditional practices while ensuring modern scientific validation and regulatory oversight. Ultimately, it's about creating a sustainable, trustworthy, and globally accepted herbal industry that benefits everyone. For further support, please feel free to contact us. We're here to help with any questions or additional information you might need. And with that, I want to thank you all sincerely for your time and attention today. Your engagement is truly appreciated. Remember, we're committed to supporting you beyond this presentation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you once again for being part of this session.